Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device using recovery mode on your Mac OS device. To do it, you need to firstly connect your iPhone to your Mac device using the USB-C cable, and then you will see the iPhone here on the left panel. Click Trust, and if you will not click Trust on your iPhone, it means that you will see nothing here. So firstly, we need to put our iPhone into recovery mode. To do it, just click volume up, volume down, and press and hold power button until you will see the recovery mode. Great, we've opened the recovery mode, so wait a while. MacBook will it's it. Okay, couldn't contact the iPhone software update because you're not connected to the internet. Oh my gosh, so I need to be connected to the internet, so I will reconnect to the other Wi-Fi network. Maybe I have the trouble with one of them. Click OK. So cool. Now just click Restore iPhone and click Restore and Update, because it firstly need to download the latest version and flash system. So just wait a while until software will be downloaded. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.